Key features of the TE12000 extractor. This TE12000 Tamisium extractor can hold 4 kilos of plant material and extract as fast as 5 minutes using a temperature range from as low or high as your supplied chiller heater can go. Common temperature range -40 Fahrenheit to 120 Fahrenheit. With a non-looping process such as used by Tamisium extractors, it is not required to use ultra-cold temperatures to avoid lipids such as wax, tar, and other heavy viscous dark compounds. Lowering contact time to disable a solvent's effectiveness is chosen over lowering temperatures. However, lower temperature extractions are not excluded. Using an adequate amount of solvent to perform a complete extraction allows you to send the appropriate amount of solvent through the plant material in one pass, as fast as you want, at any temperature with any combination of solvents. Recovering to loop it back through in the middle of an extraction process disables these controls. The most desired feature of the Tamisium design and process is said to be the prized multi-layered channel filter that courses the extract through over 15 to 30 feet of activated charcoal to decolorize and remove waxes from your extract so you can focus on adding heat and time back into the process and increasing yields. This filter is inline, sandwiched between the column bottom and the extractor top. It works seamlessly with no added time or labor to the process. Any range of plant volume can be used up to 4 kilos, such as half column or less capacities. Any volume of solvent can be used, but to perform a complete extraction, 4 volumes of solvent are recommended to 1 volume of plant column space. It is possible to overfill the column to perform a high-density extraction from finely ground material. 4 kilos is considered average density. Cold solvents can be added to the list of primary solvents to target specific compounds based on polarity matching. Primary solvent choices are not limited to butane, but butane is the lowest boiling point solvent you can choose that allows pump-free safe sanitary recovery using distillation. Any solvent with a higher boiling point than butane can be used and recovered with the same distillation process. Rapid recovery of the solvent is therefore through distillation. A large diameter evaporation tank provides ample recovery rates of 8 to 12 liters per hour set by the operator. 48 liters of total solvent volume is used, and 48 liters is what is required to perform a complete extraction from 12 liters of plant material. If an adequate amount of solvent is used, it may be required to recover the solvent and loop it back through the plant material. This will add extreme contact time between your solvent and plant matter. Adding contact time extracts high levels of wax, tar, dark compounds, and other heavy lipids found in plants. Added contact time requires ultra-cold temperatures to counter the effect of the extended contact time. By decreasing contact time and using mild cold temperatures, you can increase yields and the array of compounds extracted while also decreasing overall production times. If in doubt, be sure to watch the slideshow of all the products created with Tamisium extractors at the end of this video. The entire extraction is performed in liquid phase. Liquid solvents extract exponentially faster with more control and efficiency than when vaporized into a gas. This is due to a greater molecular density to form bonds and the ability of densely packed molecules to transfer heat and cold more efficiently. Liquid transfers cold and hot temperatures 20 times more efficient than gas and carries uniform mixtures of solvent through plant material when performing multipolarity extractions. The column filled with plant material is filled hydraulically from above using pressure in the solvent delivery tank. A 16-inch tank delivers 1,000 pounds of force with as little as 5 psi pressure. Hydraulically filling prevents channeling and allows temperature inputs. All relative pressure and vacuums are created by the solvent used. No pumps are necessary due to the careful, well-thought-out design of the patented design and process of a Tamisium extractor. The TE12000 can produce up to 200 grams of targeted extractions per hour of operation, and the process can be fully automated. Recipes can be stored, saved, and retrieved to share, sell, or enhance the ability of any extractor operator or apparatus via a worldwide network of users. Preloaded data can allow immediate production upon delivery with no learning curve. Optional key elements of the user data can be selected and shared on the network, such as yields, chemical identifiers, and analytical data, while selected private data can be omitted and remain invisible to the viewers, such as name, location, genus, species, and key extraction data. Tamisium extractor operators, wholesale purchasers, and consumers can privately contact extraction owners-operators based on their performance and ability via a worldwide network, so that the end user of these medical compounds can gain access faster than ever before.